How to limit your mobile battery to only charge till 80%. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can implement a 80% charge limit on your Android device. So if your Android device does support this smart charging option, then to enable this, simply go to the settings of your Android device, and within the settings simply scroll down until you find battery. Now click onto this battery option, and this will lead you to the battery details. From here it will show you the current percentage of your battery, and now in order to preserve some battery health, what you can do is simply click onto this power saving settings. Once you will click onto this power saving settings, here are some of the options that you can implement. But if you want to implement the 80% limit that I told you about, you can simply go to battery health. Now if your device supports battery health, you will see this option right here, and just within the battery health you can scroll down and you will see this charge limit option. It to slow down battery aging, the battery level will always be kept at 80% while charging. This feature will automatically turn on when your device has been charging for too long. So in order to enable this, simply tap onto this toggle and this feature will be enabled. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.